Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a workaround for if you're trying to print something out of Adobe Reader and unfortunately it's not able to be printing out properly. So if you're in a jam and you need to quickly print something out, this tutorial will be for you. Otherwise, I would suggest a more permanent fix would be to actually reinstall the Adobe Reader application. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to try to keep it short. So we're going to go and just right click on wherever our PDF is located, and then you want to select where it says open with. You can select any web browser you have on your system. I'm going to just select Google Chrome for this tutorial because most people have Google Chrome. And then once it opens up here, it's just a blank PDF, so if there was any text on here you would see it. But now you just want to go ahead and select the printer icon in your top right corner, or you could also do the Control P shortcut on your keyboard, whatever you're more comfortable with. And now that's open here, just select the correct printer from the destination field. So just click the drop down, select the correct printer, and then select print, and that should hopefully be about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.